Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Now I'm very excited because we are ready to cut with our new True Laser Series 1000 Basic Edition. Later we will show you the cutting process inside as well as the cutting results in a high quality level. So Roger, now we are going to start the cutting demonstration. Could you please share with us about the cutting materials and the display features?
Yes, sure. Today, we will cut two different materials, 6mm mild steel and stainless steel with 1.5mm and 6mm. We would like to show the cutting results of typical material from customers' production. The cutting data of True Laser Series 1000 Basic Edition is developed by TRUMPF. Our experts developed the cutting data to ensure a fast start for the cutting process. If a new operator does not have a lot of know-how for laser cutting, we can support him by our tested cutting data.
True Laser Series 1000 Basic Edition has two collision detecting scenarios. The cutting unit can detect collision risk by nozzle and collision protection. The cutting unit will lift up immediately after a slight collision occurred. The operator can confirm impact and continue processing. The second scenario is considered as severe collision for the cutting unit. The cutting process will be stopped. All customers want to avoid mechanical damage by collision. Effective collision protection can minimize machine downtime.